Leo nataka ku upgrade gears za kukimbia. I've been doing very well kwa marathon prep, though I'm recovering from an injury. I know put some photos here for my injuries, lakini running with the phone has become hectic. Sometimes the calls are many. So a friend of mine amesema the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 iko hapa. Naona ni create combo. I've never created content like for Instagram and everything. Hii inasema iko na a lot of things inside. Kuna Osmo Pocket 4, kuna mic, iko na gimbals, iko na kila kitu. This is the most raw video utaona. I've not watched any video. Nataka tu unbox na nyinyi tuone mpaka the end. Naona iko na paper. Nao sasa sijui kama nikuwe pro athlete ama nikuwe content creator. One of the two must happen during this marathon prep. Hii najua tutaenda naye mpaka Rwenzori. Kuna marathon ya Rwenzori which will be happening around August, so I have 90 days to do it. Let's see. One bag. And I think these are the manuals. Let us see. Seems everything is here. Hii ni kularua tu. Looks like a portable speaker. Should have a zip. Seems this is the main camera. The good thing about this one, imekuja na 107 GB internal. The Osmo Pocket 3 didn't have. This is the main camera. Tutaenda tukifungua pole pole. We see what is there. This one has a 107 GB, 4K, 120 frames per second, what they call 120 FPS. Haya. This seems, let us see what we have here. I think we have mics, we have holders. This is the, I guess this is the gimbal. This is a battery, an external battery, or a receiver. Yes, we have the Type C to Type C. I can also see something else here. Yeah. Now let us unbox one thing. We have, I think this is a carrier bag. Let's see, this is a portable carrying pouch. This is a pouch. Pouch, whatever you call it. This is like carrying the gimbal like this. If it's, let's unbox everything together. What is this? Everything is also everything is prepared. This is a gimbal, a small one. I think there is another connector somewhere. I can see it here. I think it's this one. I think this is it. Then this one. Can I do 21 kilometers with it? Huh? We'll see. We'll see how that happens. Let us see, what's this one? This is a mic. The receiver or something. A torch. This is a torch. So now some TikTok videos. TikTok rights. When running at night, very early in the morning at 4 a.m. Marathon prep is no joke. is for charging the mic, I guess. This is a charger for the mic. I'm not guessing. We are doing extremely well. These are, I think, the magnets to connect the mic to maybe a cloth or something. Yes. Something like this. Now I'm already mic'd for the game. I think nothing else. What's this? These are, no, I hope, I guess it's not bad. So this I can put under the shirt like this and hold the mic where I don't have to. I can put it anywhere. So I think we'll have to try to shoot a video. We give you a review. We have not even put the gimbal, the Pocket 4 on. Give us like a week or two, then we'll come for a full review of this one. Cheers.